If you want to be able to pay with your Xiaomi 17, here's what you need to do. So first of all, you need to know where to find NFC, because NFC is used in order to pay with your phone. And secondly, we will have to set up a wallet in order to add our payment card. So first of all, let's go to settings. Over here you can open more connectivity options in order to find NFC. So here we can of course enable and disable NFC. NFC does not have to be enabled all the time, but it has to be enabled in a moment when you want to pay with your phone. You can actually add the NFC button to the control center. By default it is actually not added, so we can tap on edit at the bottom of the control center and then look for NFC and tap on it on this plus button here in the upper right corner in order to add it to the list. So now you can easily toggle NFC just by tapping on this button over here. Of course you can leave NFC enabled all the time, but in case you want to save the battery a little bit, of course you can turn it off and turn it on when needed. Alright, so besides that, we need to set up the wallet as I mentioned. And for that reason we can use the Google Wallet. In my case it is already installed. If you do have it, of course you want to open it, and if needed allow the app to send you notifications. But if you don't have the wallet app, just go to the Play Store and then you can easily search for wallet. So type wallet and you should be able to find the Google Wallet app. So this is the one that we are going to use. Once you open it, tap on this plus button in the bottom right corner and then you can proceed to the payment card. You can scan the details of your payment card, whether it is credit or debit card, but if you have issues with scanning the card, you can just tap on enter details manually here at the bottom of the screen, and then you can fill in these fields and tap on save and continue once you scroll all the way down. Once you add the payment card to your phone, in some cases, some banks may require you to go through additional verification steps, so you might need to be patient in order to actually be able to use your card with your phone. In some cases, banks don't really require you to go through verification, so you can use it immediately after that. Of course, you can add more payment cards into the wallet app, so you can add pretty much as many as you want. And then you can also decide which one is going to be the default one. So afterwards, once you set everything up, in order to pay with your phone, make sure that NFC is enabled, as I mentioned, and your phone must be unlocked whenever you want to make the payment. Of course, you place your phone on the terminal just like you do with your card, and then it works just fine. If you want to pay with your default card, or if you have just one card, you don't have to do anything else. Just make sure that NFC is on and the phone is unlocked. But if you want to pay with a different card other than the one that is the default one, and so if you want to pay with another card that is set up in the wallet app, then you actually also have to open the wallet app and then choose whichever card you want to pay with. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.